coaching is available to everyone worldwide. If you've had a bit of experience in the gym, you kind of know what you're doing, but you need a bit of extra support and framework for all of your training programs, for all of your nutritional support, to give you some guidance and to put everything together to get you to where you want to go within your own time, then remote coaching is for you. So with TGen Remote Coaching, what you get is your comprehensive training programs based on your schedule, days of the week, and the goals that you want to go together. We're going to pull all of that framework, we're going to monitor that for you and give you guidance in terms of reps, exercises, sets, and all of your phasing. What you also get is nutritional support, whether it is macro calculating guidance, whether it is meal guides, prep ideas, we look after all of that for you. The important part with remote coaching is your check-ins and ongoing support. In order to keep you on track, keep motivation high, keep you accountable towards your goals, you will check in really regularly with a coach through Keystone Health and Performance and through our Skype calls and email check-ins. T-Generation also integrates with your entire healthcare team. So your physios, chiros, GPs, massage therapists, let them know you're working with us and they can provide us all the information so that you are looked after holistically and supported well. As a part of the TGen Remote community, you also get access to our online Facebook forums, all of our discounts on our workshops, discounts on ongoing personal training should you wish to travel in and see us out of the TGen gym in Melbourne, as well as community events, connection with like-minded individuals, all on our Facebook and Instagram platforms. What is expected of you within the coaching process? Be coachable, ask questions, listen, interact, give feedback, send us through your lifts, record your nutrition, work with us and work together with all of your homework so that together, teamwork can make the dream work and we can get you to being that best version of you. Want to know more about remote coaching? Flick us an email at info@tgenerationtraining.com. We can't wait to hear from you wherever you are in the world. We're here to help, and remember, be the person you needed to be when you were growing up.